what is going on, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for this video, I'm really excited because like I've talked in a couple of the previous videos, you know, my plans for the Mustang was to supercharge it. You know, I wanted to go boost. I didn't want to do the NA stuff. So finally, guys, today is the day. My Paxton Supercharger kit just came in. So obviously, as you can tell, I'm like beyond excited. You know, like I've been wanting to do this for so long, ever since for some of you guys who are new to the channel, I used to have a 2018 manual 5.0. I wanted to supercharge that thing, but obviously it didn't work out. I got rid of the car. Now I have a 2021 10 speed that luckily, you know, I was able to get the kit, and I'm gonna be supercharging this one. But anyway, I'm still waiting on a couple other things. I'm gonna be getting, you know, some spark plugs, injectors, and BAP. I'm debating about doing like a fuel system, but I mean, for now, I don't plan to like run full 85 on the car, so I feel like it's not needed. I was talking to my tuner, and he said a BAP should be fine. Anyway, I'm still waiting on those things, so I just thought I'd make like an unboxing video. So I picked up the kit during like Black Friday, and it showed up pretty quickly, honestly, probably within like 2 weeks or so. So yeah, I'm stoked for that. Like I said, I have the kit at home, just kind of waiting for the rest of the parts to show up, and then getting a couple quotes from different shops around my area to install it. So far they've quoted me around 2,000. I don't know, what are you guys paying for some of you guys who are boosted? Is it typically around the same? I know it's like an 8 to 10 hour install, so obviously that's that. I would do it myself, but I feel like I don't want to mess with it. I don't have the proper tools, you know, stuff like that. So I just honestly rather pay. But anyway, I'm gonna be going to the gym right now. You know, got the about to take some pre-workout. Sheesh, look at that. This pre-workout, for some of you guys who go to the gym, this shit is crazy. It's probably the best pre-workout I've had in a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna hit the gym, do some shoulders, and then we'll get right into the video for the unboxing. So yeah, let's hit the gym. All right, guys, so here are the boxes. I'll open them up and show you guys what we got inside. So with this big one here, you got all the I believe it's the head unit and like the intake and stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. I had previously already opened it up a little bit to check it out when I first got it, but this is just to show you guys. Look at that. The intake tube. Got the Paxton badge right here. Sheesh. Set that off to the side. They also have the intake drop-in filter. Since I'm going to be probably keeping the stock air box for a little while. What is this? Bypass valve, the race one. Let's see if I can open this up. Let me take it out of the package for you guys. Set this down real quick. You got like the instructions. It's got a sticker in here as well. Look at that. You already know this one's going on the whip. All the oil for the blower. This is what you guys want to see right here. So everything came, you know, nicely packed. Got the blower in its own box, and then got a couple other boxes down here. And then, like I said, this one here is the intercooler. Those are probably like the piping for the intercooler, so we're not gonna open those up. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the new setup for the car. I'm so excited to throw this thing on. All right, guys, so that's basically gonna be it for the unboxing video. Let me know what you guys thought about the video, and you know, about the whole setup with the blower. Do you guys think I made a good choice going with the Paxton as opposed to doing like a full NA build? And let me know if you guys want to see like a part 2 when I actually install the Supercharger and like the tuning of it, because I will be getting tuned by Lund Racing. That's who the car is currently tuned by right now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to like data log and all that stuff to get, you know, my solid file. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see that stuff. Make sure you guys like, share the video, subscribe. That really means a lot. Like I said, I'm trying to hit, you know, 2,000 by the end of the year. So let's see if we can make that happen. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll update you guys once you know, we go get the install on the car. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.